Hey, this is Jessica Nana 2, and I approve this message. Hey YouTube, it's me, your girl Jessica Nana 2, coming to you with yet another sexy video. So, we are here today with my friend, can I say your name?
You can.
Quintel. She's my good friend. We are retwisting her locks. We're doing two types of methods. We're doing the interlocking, and then at the root we're doing palm roll. So you won't see that two twist gap type deal thing. So she said it's been a while since she's gotten retwisted. Her, the young lady that usually does it is out of town. And, thanks. So we are retwisting it. We're being very careful around her hairline. She just had her gift, her baby. Well, she's not a baby anymore, but yeah, she still is. She's 1 year old, and so of course her hair grew out tremendously, but like around the edges are really thin, so we're gonna pay close attention to that, alright? So we're gonna show you the ending product when we're finished. Okay. So we are back hours and hours later. It's now dark, and
Ooh, it is.
So yeah, so we're finally finished cleaning everything up. I had to add to make some of them around her hairline because she had a lot of new growth. But I'm sure it'll catch up with the rest of her locks. She had a lot of new growth. I love it. I should have showed you how I fixed the ones that are on the edges. Maybe next time. No, not on her.
Not on
Not on her. So I'm going to turn her around. So now it's nice and clean. You can see the parts.
And be at your constant disposal. Please feel free to call or stop by any time of the day or night.
Okay.
Well, you, my good friend.
So while this is doing what it is doing with the clips, I'm going to use the contour shea butter and put it on her ends. Because this stuff is amazing for if you have, it's amazing, period. Natural hair, amazing. My sister-in-law uses it. So we're going to do this, taking about this much. It's a little too much. Take about this much. We're just going to scrunch it in her hair. Another good thing to do to moisturize it, to soften it from hair that lacks moisture, is mink oil. Okay, you wanna feel it? Go ahead. You can't because you're not here. Alrighty. We're going to finish this and we'll cut you back on for a second. Adios.
Bye.
You're eating them so fast they even
touch your tongue. So we are finally done.
Why aren't you having any, Angela?
Put the shea butter on there.
I ate so many already when no one's looking.
Yeah,
and here we have a smiley face girl.
She wants to fit into a special child-sized wedding gown for our big day. Why do those exist?
These are the new ones that I made.
I was Miss Tiny Mid-Atlantic.
Which if she goes like this, you won't even be able to tell. But they need to be done, or they'll start here and here.
To socialize and not one. Ooh, brownies!
Okay.
Two. Parcel them up.
So it looks really good.